Good morning. I'm going to show you how to start the quickest dinner in the morning so that when you want to eat it in the afternoon, it's ready. It only uses 3 main ingredients. I'm going to use Thai culinary stock. You can use chicken stock, vegetable stock, bone broth, whatever you like to use or whatever you have in your house. This is one that we like. Has a little spice to it. I'm going to use 2 packs of ready rice. I chose the garden vegetable variety here. It has peas, carrots, and corn in with the rice. This is already cooked and it's intended to warm it up for 90 seconds in the microwave. I'm just going to put it in like this with the broth and let it cook all day. And I have a very special ingredient here. I have smoked chicken legs. Now I realize you might not be able to find smoked chicken legs real quickly. I went to Shady Maples country store and bought these near Lancaster area in Pennsylvania. But if you can get something like this, or smoked turkey legs, you could even use smoked ham hocks. But this morning we're using the chicken legs, drumsticks. And this is a package about 2.5 pounds. And you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drumsticks in this package. I'm going to use the Hot Logic family size portable oven today. So it fits a 9 by 13 Pyrex dish or anything similar to that. So let's get it going. Really, it's quick. I'm going to take the rice and just press it around a little bit so it's not in clumps. Fill the Pyrex dish. Let's just spread that out evenly in the pan. Now you can use a slow cooker if you don't have a Hot Logic. Alright, now these smoked meats from Shady Maples are just unbelievable. Look at how smoked and how smoky and delicious they look. We tried a couple different meats this month. We had some turkey legs, we had some ham hocks, and we had some chicken thighs. Oh geez, they were so good. Nice and meaty. I know I'll get more of this when I go back there. Just right. And this is a vegetable-based stock. It has some spice in it. Not a lot though. It has some sriracha. It's made with vegetables and ginger and a little bit of sriracha. It's pretty nice. And this comes from Wegmans, but like I said, use whatever stock you guys like to use in your house. And I'm putting pretty much in because the rice will continue to absorb about half the container. Look good? Alright, let's cover it up. Zip it up. And plug it in. That's all you need to do. This cooks about the same temperature as a low setting on a crock pot. So that's why I mentioned that you could use a crock pot to make this meal also. And you could also make a smaller version using, like we have some Hot Logic minis here in the house. You could use something this size too. This is a 6-cup Pyrex dish, fits into this one, just to give you an idea. Alright, we'll be back in about 8 hours and it'll be time to eat dinner, and I'll show you what it looks like then. Alright, we've waited about 8 or 9 hours here for supper to cook. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
The chicken.
Smoked. Can you smell the smoked
Yeah, it
chicken?
smells good.
Yeah.
What are you gonna have?
You think Rick's gonna eat all that chicken?
Me.
Oh, you're ready.
Me, all the way home.
Pick one out for me.
Ooh. Still hot.
Whoa, wow.
Big bite.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Good. You can do with that rice. Put it on a plate.
We're gonna sit down and eat supper, but I wanted to show you how nice the chicken came out. And if you get a chance to cook this recipe, I'm sure you'll like it. We're gonna fluff the rice up a little bit and sit down and have a nice meal. Try making this in your Hot Logic.
Mmm.
I better get to eat this before Rick eats it all. Thanks for watching.
Bye.